Okay, so today we're gonna go over some strange behaviors from celebrities, some MKultra glitches, because if y'all don't know, back in the day, the CIA basically had this experiment based on mind control. They took civilians, random ass people, prisoners, basically kidnapped people and tested mind control on them. This shit is actually documented, bro. It's not no bullshit, theories, conspiracies, none of that. This shit actually happened. But what a lot of people have been saying is that some of these celebrities have been under the influence of MKultra, saying that they sold themselves to a higher power and that they're basically here to control the masses. That's like the whole theory. I literally would have to go into a bunch of different categories. Rap is one of the main situations that's bringing us down ever since the 90s. I could cover that in a different video. Just let me know what y'all would like to see in the comments. I also want to cover the bloodbath ritual. If y'all don't know, this is another way that they do these sacrifices to get what they want for fame or whatever it is. You've seen celebrities do it. You don't even know that they're doing it, but they're doing it right in front of you. If you haven't noticed, they're all in on it, bro. But Eminem did it, literally, boom, right here. That's obviously the oath you have to pay. Now look at your mans. Let's get started. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Let's waste no time.
Marshall Mathers, some of you may know him as Eminem, but he's going to join the Saturday night crew with our music intro starting next Saturday night. Well, folks, I want to take you to the world premiere
off that thing, bro. Come on.
Of one of his new videos called Berserk. Take a listen. So was that the great Rick Rubin who was helping produce that with you?
Bro, like what's going on?
Yeah, sorry. Live TV.
He was lagging, bro. Poor reception. You feel me? Towers ain't have no service. They couldn't control it. Probably had fucking Comcast. Wi-Fi was too weak.
Live TV freaks me out a little bit.
No.
Yes, I'm sorry. What was the question?
Come on.
Yeah, I'm really uncomfortable right now.
He don't even know what they said. What's the question? He's uncomfortable, bro.
Trapped, if I can go back, I never would have rapped. Sold my soul to the devil, I'll never get it back.
He admitted it right there in the music. Did you hear what he just said? I'm gonna go back a little bit for y'all, bro.
I sold my soul to the devil, I'll never get it back.
Come on, bro. It was there the whole time. Y'all just refused to see it. We ain't about to get copyrighted now. You're bugging. Draymond Green. We all heard this one before. He's gone. He's gone. Your boy is vacant. He's in the upside down, bro. Your man's is gone, bro. He's in Get Out right now. He's trying to get out.
When I was making love to my old boyfriend, I used to think about women sometimes.
Oh, good Lord. I'm sure he was delighted.
Y'all saw that so casually. They just do it so casually. The symbolism, watch.
I used to think about women sometimes.
Oh, good Lord.
Y'all saw that. Come on. Symbolism. Most of these celebrities all under the same shit. Watch this. Your favorites. They gonna be on this list. All your favorites gonna be on this list, bro. Jay-Z, the Beatles, Beyonce, Will Smith, Pharrell. Bro, the list goes on. Even Mickey out here doing this shit. This is the secret society that they don't want you to know about. And now we've been hearing more about the New World Order. So this shit is coming to the surface. Low-key, there's so much more that I want to cover. Like Beyonce with the 4 Horsemen. Shit crazy, bro. But yeah, look at all these people. I just feel like too many coincidences add up. And at a certain point, shit is the truth. Like, come on.
In every
What
way.
the fuck was that? Oh, what the fuck, bruh? Hey, yo. Lean with it, rock with it, head ass. What the fuck is going on? Hey, yo. They were rebooting her shit. Reboot, motherfucker. Reboot? Oh. Hey. Okay, Hillary. Hey, reboot. You gonna tell me nobody behind the controller like, hey, hit him with the 180, bro?
Make what we've got work really well and improve it and get the costs out of an upward spiral.
Okay. Oh. They had to help her up, bro. She couldn't even do it alone. Look at this shit.
Are you connected?
They hiding it.
Picasso is dead. Steve Jobs is dead. Walt Disney is dead. Name somebody living that you can name in the same breath as them.
Connor,
What?
can you respond? Say something nice about Jose, please?
Connor gone, bro.
No. Okay, not happening.
Connor gone, bro. You ain't had nothing to say.
That's exactly how he did.
I've seen this one before, low key.
Yes, exactly. Yes, like they say in Catholic school, leave room for the Holy Ghost.
Hmm?
Anyway, there is a lot of
yeah, I've seen this
today,
shit
actually.
before.
It's a big day in music history.
Stuck, bro. Ain't no room for no Holy Ghost up in there.
35 years ago
I'm just
today,
playing,
Elvis Presley passed away, the king of rock and roll, and as Mark Cohn says
And
in his great song Walking in Memphis,
watch.
there's a pretty little thing waiting for the king down.
I understand the more you stare, the more tired you become and the more you will relax. I want you to just block out any thought processes and sounds and just begin to stare at the light. And of course, if you have to close your eyes, I'm going to simply invite you to take breaths in with me. Understand?
Get out.
Every breath you take and every word I say, and out and just relax.
We're going to let Richard continue his work through the commercial break.
So if you notice with a lot of these people, they just blank out. Like they just stop talking. They get into like this mode where you don't even know what's going on. It's like an empty stare, empty gaze type thing.
I'm sorry. I was in a trance.
Look.
I'm sorry.
Same shit's gonna happen. She's stuck.
Yes, sorry.
Sorry about that. So I just was wondering how everyone's doing.
They just came in. Who just came in? Who just came in?
Hello, Courtney. Have we lost you?
Who's came in? Who's coming in? Like, what you mean? Get not up in here.
All right, it looks like
only Jesus up in
Courtney
here,
doesn't
my
really
baby.
go there. with
Yeah,
that
buggy.
question.
So I just was wondering how everyone's doing.
They just came in. Who the fuck coming in?
Hello, Courtney. Have we lost you?
100%. Oh. Yee. She down. Night night, Wendy.
Well, explain what this instant personalization thing was that you did and why you did it and what's the value of it to your users?
Maybe I should take off the hoodie.
Take off the hoodie.
Go ahead.
Look, take off the hoodie. Notice that, right? It's all a sign. This is all like orchestrated, obviously. I'm gonna skip through because he does this whole process taking off the hoodie or whatever. But on his hoodie, Mark Zuckerberg, there's some shit on the hoodie, bro.
On the inside.
What?
Oh, really?
God, the inside of...
He happy as fuck about the inside of the hoodie.
Making the
world more open and connected.
Oh my God, it's like a secret
Cool.
cult. Look at that, making the world open and connected. Stream graph platform and this weird symbol in the middle that is probably for the Illuminati.
Probably. Give me my jacket back. So I got a couple more clips I wanted to show y'all of some more people in case y'all don't believe me. Look at this one over here a little bit more clearer in case y'all thought that it was not real, which this is literally live TV, bro. Live TV is when people get into some shit, concerts and that, people be wilding.
Caress.
Reboot. Oh, okay. Who faints like that over her headband? Like, come on. That shit just don't make no sense.
And went to an extra long commercial break. 6 minutes long.
Of course. This one right here is probably one of the worst cases. If you believe this isn't some creepy shit, you're probably on the other side of this fence, and I'm glad you're watching this video. Open up your eyes and see everything that I'm showing you. This is basically Lady Gaga walking out of a little hotel or whatever. We all know Lady Gaga wore a meat suit. She proclaims this whole occult shit.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Gaga, you look so good. Oh my God.
Pete, bro. Who walks down the steps like that? Possessed, bro. Point is, she took hella long, like hella long, bro. A whole 2 minutes head ass to go down 6 steps, right? Boom. But then in the next episode, there's also this video right here, which is the one that creeped me the fuck out. Look at this. Son looks possessed. Like, don't play with me, bro. Look at the gaze in her eyes. Shorty not even blinking. Bro. Come on. Come on. in a trance, bro. Bro, that ass took a half an hour to go from the steps on the hotel into the car. That wasn't her, bro. Crazy part is, bro, people will sit here and call this shit art.
Rapper 2 Chainz abruptly froze for around 10 seconds, similar to other videos. No one initially references this bizarre behavior.
He logged off, bro. Logged off. He's signing in right now. He's gone. Vacant. He like, yo, come back, bro. He is gone.
In another video,
weird,
aspiring rapper NBA Youngboy seems to enter a trance whilst performing.
A lot of people saying Youngboy went in and they let him out on house arrest, but they did the little doom dang on him. Now he, feel me, doing this shit. Gone. Y'all can't tell me it's just happening to so many people and it's not for a reason. Like, I genuinely believe it's for a reason. They've been pushing different agendas at us for so long, and if you really think about it, once Youngboy got out of jail, bro, painting his nails, talking about he's always been a rock star at heart, like, no, bro, no, for money, bro, like, that shit crazy. Last thing we gonna talk about is Beyonce literally turning into something creepy mid-performance. We all know she's like top of the top when it comes to this shit, like tier 1, A-list.
I guess there's this new video of Beyonce that has gone completely viral and people are saying she turned into a demon or something.
Let's see. She looked evil as fuck. What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Nah.
What was that? I claim no negative energy, and everybody watching this, I claim no negative energy for you.
Only positive vibes, my boy. I feel you. Nah, no bullshit, no bullshit. I know Jesus got me. At the end of the day, you feel me? We doing our thing out here, but she is bugging. Fucking bugging, you feel me? I'm telling you, bro. Ain't no Queen Bee supporters out here. Look at this shit. Let me get that off my screen. Yeah, man, shit crazy. Shit is definitely, most definitely crazy. This music industry cannot be trusted, bro. Back in the 90s, they basically were looking for artists willing to sell their people out in order for fame and money. If you really look back into the history of it, that's the roots of this whole shit. After the triangle people decided that they wanted to rule the nation, they figured out that through music was the way they were about to do it. So watch what you listen to, especially in front of your kids, because they're sponges and they absorb this shit every day. You play it as the parent, they absorb it as the kid. That's just how it works, and especially for your brain too. Music sends out wavelengths to you and it affects you in your subconscious. It's something you don't even notice, but it definitely does play a role in the way that people act on a day-to-day basis. I'm trying to tell y'all, I can break it down in another video, but I don't want this one to be too long. So that pretty much does it for this one. If y'all enjoyed, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what y'all would like to see in the comments. But with all that being said, I'ma catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.